guys, welcome to Epson Fire Safety Solution, where you will learn about safety awareness in our channel, where you will learn about how to install fire alarm systems, guys. So Epson Fire Safety Solution give you awareness on all kind of fire equipments, guys. Even when you are installing the fire hydrant system, Epson Fire Safety Solutions give you tips on how to install it. So welcome to our YouTube Epson Fire Safety Solution, guys. Before we continue, guys, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe, guys, so that you can get daily update on how to install fire alarm system, hydrant system, first aid. Guys, Epson Fire Safety Solution value all of you, guys. So today we are dealing about a fireball, guys. I know most of you doesn't know about the fireball. Fireball, guys, is a type of a fire extinguishers where you will throw to the fire and it will explode itself. So guys, fireball is like a ball, it's a round thing. So today's topic, which I will explain to you how to use a fireball in case of a fire or in a scenario of a fire. So guys, here I have a fireball, guys. So before we continue, guys, look at it. We normally package on a box like this one, and there is some instructions where you will learn or you will get more information after you have read the instruction. So fireball normally we install in our companies like factories where there is a risk of fire. So fireball it look like a ball. So I want to show you how it look. It is around something. This one is a fireball. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, guys. It returns a fire extinguisher ball. This one is a type of fire extinguisher, but this one will explode when it get the right temperature, and you can draw up to 1 kilometers. It's a light, and it can distinguish all type of fire, whether it is for electricity or what. Fireball is a multi-purpose, and it can distinguish all classes of fire. So the instructions are being written here, as you can see, and you can fix for yourself. This one doesn't require any knowledge. You only put where there is a risk of fire. So Before you install a firewall, you should read the instructions as per as per instructed here. Firewall is harmless to anyone, or it harmless materials to environments and safety of a user. They explore the border and as be calculated to the approved safety. Firewall has its lifespan of 5 years, as it has been written here, 5 years lifestyle, and can be fire temperature. Let's see the instruction as per. Okay guys, firewall you can install in supermarket, like supermarket you can install in supermarket. Each hotel you can also put in an hotel, or gas station, or like a petrol station, I think so. And also you can put on your car, so in case of fire it will explode. So this one is the best, and it is a light. So community best protected kind of such placement. So firewall will explode within 3 to 5 seconds. So this one, when you draw to the fire, the fireball will explode within 2 to 5 seconds, and it is harmless to humanitarian and environment. Safe explode. So guys, I want to remove it so that you can see inside. This one is a bracket where you will place on it, and it has some screws here. So this one is a bracket. When you want to mount it in a wall, or where you wanted to put it, let's say it in your company, you want to mount on the wall, you have to drill the wall, and then it has some screws here. When you have to you drill only 2 holes, and then you fix the screw here and turn here. So this bracket will be in this manner. So when you mount it, and then you will place a fireball like this one in this manner. I think you have seen in this manner. not in the crown. You have to put on the wall upwards, not downwards, upwards, so that it can gain the temperature in case of fire. When it gains the maximum temperature, it will explode by itself. So this one is, it will explode by itself after getting the right temperature of a fire. Then it will explode and then will distinguish the fire. Fireball is the best because it can distinguish, or it can put of all kind of fire, classes of fire, because we have different type of fire. We have class A fire, class B, class C. So fireball is the best for all classes because it is dry. It has a dry border inside, guys, and will put off the fire. So before we continue, you look at it out. It's like, it look like a ball, but it's a fire extinguisher, and this one is called fire extinguisher ball. It's written here. So when you see it, it's not a ball, it is a fire extinguisher. This one, in case there is a fire, you can draw it to the fire, and before even 5 or 2 seconds, it will explode and put off the fire. This one is much easier than others because it does not require any kind of knowledge. You can draw, or you can place somewhere where you can get the risk of fire. So just observe it, the way it look. Fireball. I think you are seeing well. Fireball have 5 advantages. It has only 5 advantages. 1, light. It's light weight. It is so light. Anyone can draw it. You can draw it because it is a light. That is the first advantage. And it can only go up to 1.3 kilometers. It is a shape of a ball. Even children can use it easily. Advantage here. The second advantage, as long as symbol roll out to the fire scene, or you set in the place easy on a fire, such as the electricity case, the gas barrier, flammable chemical article like factories, shopping malls, gas station, and hotels, or even in your car. You can place it on your car, inside your car. You can place it in case of a fire. This will help you in case of a fire. So the third advantage, as long a spin touch for 3 to 5 seconds by flammable, reaching the it reach the maximum of 70 degrees. It requires only 70 degrees so that it can explode. 70 degrees Celsius. So fireball is automatically extinguish the fire efficiently and rapidly. So guys, this one is much better. So advantage 4, you cannot need to be close to the scenes to the fire scenes. You are not required to be close to the scene of a fire to distinguish the fire anymore. Fireball is made for totally harmless material to the environment and the safety of the user. It will explode powder and be accurately calculated to the approved safety. So this one is harmless. It cannot harm anyone, even environment. So advantage fifth, or the fifth advantage, fireball, it can be always at your serving to extinguish the fire and need to be regular inspected yearly. This one should be inspected. Even a fireball should be inspected after normally inspected after every 6 months. That is the requirement, the British standard of to be inspected of fireballs. And the fireball normally has its lifestyle. This one, lifespans of a fireball is only 5 years. After 5 years, you should phase out. Fireball can be a fire alarm to warn people in the fire scenes. This one will explode like it will explode. I think it will produce a lot of sound and will alert people. So fireball is the best, and you should have it in your company or a hotel where you see the fire can be more dangerous or can be occur. So fire extinguisher ball is the most advantage products in a fireproof industrial to reduce the disaster and any irreparable loss caused by fire. So fire extinguisher ball is a light and portable. It is a light and portable. You can carry anywhere you are going. It is portable, which you can it which you can extinguish the initial fire. You can use it for initial fire. When the fire started, you can throw it the fireball and it will distinguish the fire. And it's made of waterproof. Yeah, it it is made of waterproof plastic shell and filter with the harmless environment border, which is it has 91 stroke 155 EEC. All of them are confirmed with international environment production standards. So fireball is the best. It is harmless. So guys, if you want a fireball in your places or your company, malls, shop, you can purchase it from us and we shall deliver to you guys. So if you are new to our channel guys, please subscribe it so that you can get a daily update on how to use type of fire extinguishers. Like today we are dealing with a fireball. I think most of us doesn't know about fireball, and I have this one is a sample and you have seen it. So guys, please subscribe there so that you can get a daily update on how to be aware and to be familiar about safety of, of safety of yourself, safety of others people. So Epson Fire Safety Solution always value all of you. That's why we always give you tips on how to use different kinds of fire equipment. So guys, when you see this fireball anywhere in your company, mall, shop, know that the it is meant for protecting our properties in case of a fire. So this one I will be using in case of a fire. This one will help me to distinguish the fire when I'm not around, because this one is it operates itself, because it is a self service. It will explode when they get this temperature of 90 temperature of 70 degrees Celsius, and it will explode by itself. So we normally place like this one. I think you have seen probably. Fireballs also is pressurized because it will explode. It is pressurized. And it's made of a plastic, waterproof plastic shell and filled with ambulas and firemen. So, as you see, guys, we shall install to our place like this one. I want to place here so that you can observe it, how it If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, comment. If you have any question about fireball, you can ask and I will answer you. Or as you see, this one is a bracket for itself. So I want to explain to you the instruction of a fire extinguisher pole instruction. It is easy fix home security and best protection. So first, place the fireball in which the flame occur is easily. You should place the fireball where you suspect the fire can occur, like a kitchen or where there is electronic things. So, such as upside of the so you can also place where there is a gas, e.g. if you have an hotel, you can purchase a fireball and then you place where you suspect the fire can occur. Also, you can purchase if you have a supermarket and then you install where the fire can occur, or even in a cars or a gas station or a petrol stations. This fireball fixed height is 30 centimeters away from possible fire source, where you have to place the height of 30 centimeters away from the possible fire source. The efficient area is 3 cube meter. 3 cube meter. the efficient area efficient area is 3 cubic meter where you will place. So we have to recommended quality, like to achieve the best protection. We kindly suggest to place 2 types of fireball in the same location. So in case you place a fireball, you should survey, and then when you want to install it, you look the place where if it required to put the 2 types of fireball to the same location, you can put even 3. It depends to the place where you are placing. Fixed, we have a bracket here, this one, the bracket. Fix the bracket on the wall and place the pole with the place the pole. I think you are seeing the blue color arrow there. Blue arrow directing down. So where you see a blue arrow, it is the way should point to the down. The blue arrow should be on the bottom, like this one. Looking down, the arrow is looking down. So once touching with the fire, the fall will explode and distinguish the fire efficiently within 3 to 5 seconds. Imagine only 2 seconds to 5 seconds. It will distinguish the fire within 5 seconds. So fireball is the best. If you need one, purchase it, guys. Also, fireball is harmless to human areas. I think it is harmless to human being. It is harmless to you, harmless to environment. So don't be afraid of fireball. It's safe when it explodes. It will only distinguish the fire. So learn more of fireball. fireball, it can be always at your service to extinguish the fire, and no need to regular and need to do a regular inspection. I think you, by doing inspection, you should call the fire technicians to come and inspect it, whether it is on a good condition. So it requires to be inspected and should be inspected after every 6 months, guys. So this thing also need to be checked always. Even if you see it is on a good condition, you should call a fire expert to come and inspect it. That is a requirement. So in case when you want to use it, you can either you throw it to the fire, you will remove it like this one, and then you throw to the fire. So guys, we just learn how to use a fireball. Guys, look at it. We shall demonstrate it by fire. We shall throw it to fire. So guys, continue watching. We shall do the experiment by throwing it to the fire so that you can see how it will explode. So guys, follow. So we shall be using a matchstick. So we shall lighting the fire by using the matchstick, and then we shall pan some peppers, and then we shall, after some second, we shall place the fireball near to fire to gain that temperature of 70 degrees Celsius in order to explode by itself. So don't go away, just follow, watch it until the end as we are trying to light a fire so that you can see how it will explode. I have already got a matchstick. This one, let me place here. We shall pan some peppers a bit. We shall also use this one. This is a polytube, which help us to pan it. Here I have a petrol. We shall pour here the petrol so that we can light the fire. So follow as we trying to demonstrate to see how it can explode and how it can distinguish the fire. So to light the fire, I should have a matchstick. I should have some peppers, petrol. I have got. I also need some, I think, some firewood, a bit. Let me go and set it. Petrol is here. So guys, we want to demonstrate it. I hope you are following as we want to demonstrate it to see how this fireball is effective. So the best way to know it is if it is effective or it is the best, we have to light a fire and then we pan it up to the 70 degrees Celsius to in order to make to get the temperature of that 70. So I should use a matchstick and burn some peppers. So guys, just follow as we continue. I think we have learned more of how to use a fireball, fire extinguishers, and we have also learned the advantages of fireballs. So if you have not even if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it guys, so that you can get a daily update on how to use different types of equipment, fire equipments, as well as we also teach about the first aid of unconscious person. So Epson fire safety solution value everyone. So guys, don't leave our channel without subscribing. Please subscribe it, and we value your when you subscribe to our channel, because when you subscribe you will get daily update on about the basic lesson of how to use fire equipment items. So tomorrow is another day. We have decided to demonstrate this fireball tomorrow by burning some items, and then we shall throw the fireball on it, and then we shall see how it will explode. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. See you on another day. Tomorrow we shall come with another lesson about the fire equipment, how you can use it. As today we have learned about the fireball. This one, it is a fire extinguisher, but it's a type of a ball, but it is an extinguisher. So guys, thank you. If you want to learn more about safety, watch our videos. You will learn more of safety, because Epson fire safety solution value everyone, and normally teach society how to fight a fire in case of fire in their places. So follow our videos guys and subscribe it. of if you have any questions, you can ask, and we shall give you a feedback. Or what, or if you want to purchase a fireball, you can also request from us. We shall deliver to you wherever you are. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. But before we end our live stream, please subscribe it. Please subscribe, guys. Put your subscriber right here, guys. It is unmovable. You can listen how it moves. It is like something moving inside. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe as you see a fireball like this one.